Hi, I'm Melissa Goodstein, and I'm a mediator and collaborative attorney with a practice in Katona, New York. And today I'm going to continue my series with you on the benefits of the collaborative process. And the last time we spoke about the benefit of all the clients as well as the professionals signing a participation agreement, which is really very unique to the collaborative process in that everyone signs an agreement on how they're going to conduct themselves and relate to each other during the process. And today I'm going to speak to you about a benefit of the attorney representation that the collaborative process offers. And what's really unique to the collaborative process is that you are working with collaboratively trained attorneys. And those collaboratively trained attorneys, what makes them unique is that they have made a paradigm shift in how they represent clients. In the traditional adversarial or litigation or of representation, you're representing positions and you're a zealous advocate, not holding any space for the interests of the other party at all. And in collaborative, what you're doing, which is a little bit different, is significantly different, is that you're representing interests and concerns. And you're also holding a space for the interests and concerns of the client, the other client and the spouse. And you're also relating to the other attorney in a different way. In the adversarial process, the relation between counsel, they're called adversaries for one, it could often be very contentious, kind of, I believe, uncivilized in how they approach counsel, as well as the fact that they take advantage of mistakes, they weaponize emotions. You can play in a way that's, I think, a very undignified way of approaching your adversary, and that's just the way of how representation is in the litigation space. In collaborative, you treat the other attorney as a counterpart. It's a different terminology, and you're working instead of against them, with them, which is completely different. You're also listening and understanding both your client's interests as well as the client's spouse's interests. Because what you're doing is you're working together with your counterpart to help achieve a resolution that meets the highest interests of both clients. And so this spirit of cooperation, this civility, the way that you approach each other, as well as even dialoguing with clients, is completely different from what a traditional adversarial or litigation attorney's mindset would be. And that only inures by making this shift to the benefit of the benefit of clients who participate in this process. Because if you think about it, if you work together rather than against each other, and you're working on behalf of both clients, the outcome, I think, is going to be a better one. And there's going to be less toxic. It's going to be a healthier atmosphere in which to really engage in discussions that are going to be challenging and difficult. But if you have attorneys who are representing interests rather than positions, you're opening it up to creative problem solving and working together to meet together the needs of your family when you're going through a divorce. So if you want any more information about the collaborative divorce process or about my services, please take a look at my website, and thank you very much.